Sweet words to say. A carnival circus is for grown-ups and kids, but my loving you, woman.
Welcome to Adventure in Art. My name is Ben Staley, your resident talking head. In this video, I'm going to share with you a recent shoot I did with my friend Say. I've been shooting Say off and on for the past 4 years about. I photographed her in 2019, right after she moved to LA, and we kind of get together every couple years. This is maybe our third shoot? Yes, our third shoot. Say's a dancer and a songwriter and a singer. She's just an all-around awesome creative person, and we just have a great time together. Let's get into this. We are at the Sepulveda Dam. I'm shooting with my Lumix S5IIX and a 50mm 1.8 S Prime. The Sepulveda Dam is one of my favorite places to shoot because it's so big and crazy and just weird looking, and you have these big wide open spaces, but it's tricky. It's tricky. So I like to shoot later in the day when the sun's a little lower. Say just wore in this hoodie on the hike in. It's about a 20-25 minute hike into the place where you can actually shoot where we're at. And she wore this hoodie, so I just suggested we start off with that as a way to kind of break the ice, get warmed up. Plus I just love shooting people in hoodies. Natural light and switch it up and use this guy, the FJ400 Strobe. Now that light is cool because I can do high-speed sync, which means I can shoot it like an 8,000th of a shutter if I want, so I can get some more contrasty, dramatic results, and that's what we're gonna do here. Have a small umbrella over the light. I really love this kind of setup, and I love the results I get in the way the umbrella just softens the light a little bit. To get some closer shots of Say. back to natural light just as the sun is about to set, and I switch to this guy, the Voigtlander 75mm 1.5. This is a manual lens. It's adapted from it's got an M mount, and I have this Metabones adapter so I can fit it on my L mount camera. It's all manual, have to focus manually. It's got a very shallow depth of field, which slows me down a lot, making sure that I achieve my critical focus, get the eyes in focus. It just provides a really creamy, beautiful out of focus area, and I love this lens. It's one of my favorite all-time lenses. Not the easiest to use. Again, I've got to slow down, it's manual, but I get a look that I just love.
Actually, let's come on out here.
I love it.
Right here, right here. I want you to just lay down on your side, like looking right at me. Like on, yes, on your right shoulder. Yes.
Let's get this little piece of glass out of it.
Yeah, let's get the glass out of the way. Amazing.
Should I keep the hat on?
Yeah. Yes, this is amazing.
Now the sun is just about to set and I spy this band of light against the wall, and we are rushing now. tell you what, I hope I don't have to wait another 2 years to photograph Say again, because we always have such a great time, and there's just real value in having a person or people that you can photograph over time repeatedly, and you have a shorthand, you have a relationship, and importantly, you have trust. Trust is required. It's required from the subject or the model, and it's required for me as a photographer to get good results. I need to know that they trust me, and I can go out on a limb, I can try some things, I can experiment, I can be vulnerable, they can be vulnerable. We trust each other, we're okay with it. We can fuck up, we can make mistakes. We're having a good time, there's a relationship there. I've found that these creative relationships over time, they only get richer. You get better and better results. You're allowed to grow with each other and stretch and learn. Yeah, I hope you liked it. We'll see you again real soon. Check out Say on social media. There's links to a past video we did and her Instagram and some things like that. So please check it out. Give her a shout. See you soon.